Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Side of Norway. For those of you who've been around on my other channels, you might recognize my computer. For those of you that are new here, you will not. But hey, here it is. This is my computer. And I recently switched to Endeavour OS. I've moved away from Windows fully, and that has a bit of caveats. One of them, the most annoying one for me, is that my water pumps and cooling solution run on Aqua Computer pumps and hardware, which runs in Aqua Suite, which is only available currently on Windows. Hey, editing Stian here. Currently editing the video you're just watching, so videoception, I don't know. Just wanted to drop by and let you guys know that I have, since shooting this, found a software that now actually handles everything I needed. So technically this video is kind of unnecessary, but it also gives me a backup. The program's called Cooler Control. So if you're on Linux and has some of the components that I have, or just want a really good program to handle cooling control, try that out. Currently we're missing two things, technically three, but there are two types of devices for that to work. I'm currently running, as you can see, the fans for the GPU radiators are from Corsair. The Corsair fans are okay when they are controlled by their software IQ, but that software is garbage. I've had so many issues with it, so I've had enough. The fans don't want to be properly controlled via PWM. For some reason, they sort of just tell my they just tell the speed once, and then they forget to update it when you spin them up or down. So that doesn't work. My controller cannot work in these conditions, so I've bought some new ones. These are Phanteks. I have them on the CPU radiator, and we're going to mount them on my GPU radiator now. To also get rid of some more garbage from Corsair, I have 140mm two fans that go on the top of my chassis, and for the rear ones I messed up ordering, so I now have two sets of different Noctua fans. We're going with these ones for now, the NFA14.X25 G2 PWM Chromax Black. Just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? These ones I'll stick in the cupboard for a different project. Now, so that covers one thing we need. We need controllable fans. The second thing we need is to know the water temperature in the loop. And for those, I have these, which are little inline, you see right through them, little inline temp sensors that sit inside the loop, or they sit like, you connect them to the pump and to the fitting, and water flows through, and it measures the temperature in them. That's why they're called inline. So we're going to put them as well, which means we need to drain the loops. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the project. Today, as you may hear, I woke up with a little bit of a in my throat. Not feeling 100%, but this project doesn't care. So I've got my coffee, hopefully you got yours. Cheers, let's get it done. And there we have it, guys. It's done. Still needs moving back and I need to vacuum the floor, but it's done. It's still a bit noisy. I'm running the case fans and the top fans, like the rear ones, off the motherboard, so I've got to set up a sort of fan curve for them in the BIOS. And I need to fix the fan curves, and I need to look into the Linux version of the software for it. But first I need to go to the couch and not be sick anymore. But at least it's working. Alright guys, if you like this, let me know in the comments below. Remember, click the like and the subscribe thing. It's free, helps me out, helps the channel out. And I'll see you in the next one.